Back in 55 it all began, Ek and Nanny with a dream hand in hand. From Forfar's heart the story grew, a family's vision shining through every winter, through every year, building trust, keeping values near. From the roots to where we stand today, the spirit of AM Phillip will never fade away. 70 Christmases strong, still where our hearts belong. Through the years, the roads we've paved, family first the way we've stayed. Scotland knows the light still shines on AM Phillip, 70 Christmases strong. From the workshop floor to the highways wide, every journey's carried with pride. Generations working side by side, together we keep the flame alive. Through every season the work remains, through every challenge the heart sustains. A guiding hand, a trusted name, forever Forfar, forever the same. 70 Christmases strong, still where our hearts belong. Through the years, the roads we've paved, family first, the way we say. Scotland knows the light still shines on AM Phillip, 70 Christmases strong. As the snow falls down tonight, we remember how the past shines bright. The road ahead is ours to take, with love and trust in every step we make. 70 Christmases strong, our story is a song. Through the years, the roads we've paved, family first.